ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2026. Second semi-final India vs England. Match played at Wankhede Stadium, Mumbai. England won the toss, elected to field first. India team 20 overs, 253 runs, lost by 7 wickets. Sanju Samson is the highest scorer, 89 runs, 42 balls. Then England team best bowling spell. Will Jacks 4 overs, no maiden, 40 runs, 2 wickets taken. England team 20 overs, 246 runs, lost by 7 wickets. Jacob Bartel is the highest scorer, 105 runs, 48 balls. Then India team best bowling spell. Hardik Pandya 4 overs, no maiden, 38 runs, 2 wickets taken. India won by 7 runs in this match. Player of the match Sanju Samson. Congratulations India cricket team.